Welcome back. So for the final couple lessons of this chapter, we're going to now focus on actually solving rational equations. So we're going to be solving equations, not just simplifying expressions or anything like that. True solving. Okay? So we're going to start with the very basic case. Just two rational expressions being set equal to each other. And the cool thing is when you have this, when you just have two expressions being set equal to each other, you can solve using cross multiplication. So to remind you what cross multiplication looks like, you cross there and multiply, and you set that equal to when you cross there and multiply. Hence the name cross multiplication. And now once you have that set up, now all you have to do is distribute on both sides. Now we have to bring the pieces together. So I'm going to subtract off the 2x to bring it together over there. And I'm going to subtract the 3 to get it away from the x. And there is our answer already. So again, I really like this lesson because you've been doing this since I think probably the 8th grade is when you start cross multiplying. And so it's something I feel like should come naturally to you. It's just making sure that you know how to deal with the variables in it. So here, cross multiply. Set that equal to when you multiply that. So when I distribute this, I'm going to get 4x minus 12. Distribute the 1, well, nothing changes. And you get that. So again, now we need to bring our x's together. So I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. So I get 2x minus 12 equals 1. Add the 12 over to get it away from my x. And I'm going to divide by 2 now. And it is okay to get a fractional answer, okay? I know you guys really don't like when your answers are fractions. However, remember, it is very possible. Not everything in the real world is a nice number, so sometimes we have to deal with fractions. But once again, that is actually all for today's lesson. That's it. Just remember that cross multiplication process, then distribute and solve. So, thank you for joining me for this brief video. Again, please make sure that you have all this filled out, come and show me, and then ask any questions if you have any before you start your practice work.